everyone, it's Jess here, welcome back. As you guys know, I've been working on a major shop and website launch, so I'm so happy to announce that it is finally live. I've been preparing for so long, and today I want to show you guys some new product reveals. I'll show you guys a little bit how I make my prints, and you guys will also see a little bit of behind the scenes on how I make some of my products. Everything is handmade and designed by me, and I'm super excited to share some new things I have launched. Alright guys, so when you go onto my website, it'll bring you to the home page where you can navigate to certain sections of my website at the very top, and you can scroll down to find some more quick links. You can also read some more about me. I have basically redone everything, so all of the contact pages as well as my social media pages are updated. And of course, I have launched my shop, which I'm super excited to show you. I've made some limited edition prints, which are all signed and numbered. I also have some stickers and some travel prints available as well. Feel free to browse around my website and check out some more client feedback that I had for personal commissions, where you can read about what the client had to say and also see the artwork that I did for them on the left. But feel free to check it out and look around. But now, let's talk a little bit about prints. Many of you guys emailed me requesting some new large prints of the hands, so I do have them available now on my website. And you may recognize these from my 100 hands challenge video. I thought these would look really great as big posters, so I did make them into large prints, and they came out so good, guys, it's unbelievable. And seeing them double the size of the sketchbook was even cooler. They're all printed at high quality matte fine art paper, and I scanned these at a really high resolution so they feel one-to-one to the sketch. And as mentioned before, everything is handmade with love. I ended up investing in a really high quality printer as well as a scanner, and these help me reproduce my artwork as best as possible. I will be having an in-depth video on how I make my prints, but just to show you guys quickly, I'm able to scan my artwork in my scanner at a very high resolution. And then I'm able to bring it onto my scanning software, adjust it wherever needed, and then I'm able to create these beautiful large prints. This print was also very requested, and you guys will probably recognize it from my sketchbook tour video. This video basically blew up my channel, so thank you guys so much, and in memory of that, a print is now available. This print also looks really cool, double the size, and after lots of testing, and I mean days and days of testing, I finally came up with a way to get the prints to look as high quality and as beautiful as I'd like them to. I did tons of research on paper and on printing and getting the right settings, but after getting all of that figured out, the prints came out remarkable, and I'm really happy with the thick fine art paper that I went with. I will have 100 prints available for the limited edition prints, and they will be all signed and numbered by me. So be sure to check out all of the limited edition prints that I have available on my website. Now let's take a look at the other prints that I have available. For the longest time, I wanted to create the Inktober postcard prints, so I finally made these and they're available on my shop. I tested out different sizes, but I decided that the 5x7 prints are the best. They're also printed on the high cardstock thick paper, so they feel really nice and durable. These 3 prints were the highly most requested ones, and I also included the red Inktober prints, and you guys can check those out as well. I basically launched my 6 favorite Inktober designs, and I'm really pleased how all of these came out. Alright, so another print that I have out a little bit larger, about 8x10, are my travel urban sketching prints. Since I did these in gouache and watercolor, I found that printing them on high quality matte paper made them look so similar to the original painting that you almost can't even tell the difference. All of these paintings are from my most incredible travels in Florence, Italy, and these definitely have to be one of my favorites. The colors came out super vibrant, and these paintings I hold really close to my heart, so it was really nice to bring these memories back as well. Alright guys, that's all for the prints, and now let's talk about some new tote bag designs. I've been working and developing these for so long to get the best quality of bag possible, and the tote bags are finally here and available. I made some new designs and brought back an old one, but for you guys to see, the designs are all printed on a heavyweight canvas bag with contrast tote handles, and these are screen printed, so the quality is crisp and sharp. This is my new Happy Sunflower design, and it's one of my favorites. I also wanted to show you guys the bottom of the bag. It has a gusset and handles a bit more weight. Now you may recognize these Happy Sunflowers from my sketchbook tour video, and it's great to finally see them on the bag. I've had this idea for so long, and now it's something that you guys can wear and also provide you some smiles and happiness throughout the day. Now, I do manufacture these from a company, and I'm so happy with the quality because I wanted to create a bag that is super durable, so I did change it from my other bags that I had. And I also added some new designs of this fruitful girl. It's also from my Inktober, and the quality and red inks came out super vibrant. And I also have a postcard print of this available as well. And of course, I had to bring back this design, which was the most popular and most sold product on my store before it went to relaunch. So do check these out on my website and get yours before they sell out. Alright guys, now let's talk about stickers. I don't know about you guys, but I've always had a love for stickers, and in my studio I have a little space that I keep my Cricut machine and create all my stickers by hand. I do scan and print them myself as well, and although it's a tedious process, it's super fun to see it all come to life. I did a lot of research and practice before starting, and I also invested in my sticker paper that I get from online labels, which as of now I find to be great quality. So the new first sticker set that I want to show you guys is this color combo sticker set. I wanted to create something super colorful and fun, and these stickers are from my 100 hands video as well, and they made for really cute stickers. Many of you guys commented in the comments for some stickers of these, and here they are all ready to go. I packaged these all in a protective sleeve with a bright colored cardstock to keep them nice and fun. I also have another sticker set available of my famous flame hands. You guys seem to love these on Instagram and during my video, so I have made these stickers and they are super cool and look really awesome in person. I personally think they work great as a set and were super fun to create. Alright guys, and the last sticker set I want to show you guys are the Double Luck Koi Fish sticker set that I have available. And these were inspired from a watercolor painting that I did of koi fish that I decided to turn into a sticker set. You can mix and match and position these however you like, and these are pretty large stickers going about 2.5 by 4 inches. I thought the quality came out beautiful, and I'm really excited to have these available for you guys. Okay, and one more little surprise that I want to talk about are some new bookmarks. I've recently really been into reading, so I had a random idea to create some bookmarks with some of my art. You guys know that I love quotes, and this is the quote that I always say, and it says, "Do everything with love." So I thought that having this quote in your book can help maybe inspire or brighten up your day. They're printed on thick fine art cardstock as well, and I added this cute little yellow tassel to stick out of your book. I decided to use the sunflowers because they just genuinely make me smile, so I thought they would look great on the bookmark as well. I also created a slightly larger bookmark, and this one is from a sketch that I did in watercolor in my sketchbook, and since it is a long composition, I figured it looked great for a bookmark too. I'm really happy with both, and I just wanted to have 2 different sizes available just in case you prefer one over the other. And that is it for today. I hope you guys check out some of the new products that I have up on my website. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below which one of these you like the most. I feel super proud and accomplished, and we'll have many more announcements coming up, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!